Hello my children, I am Pooja Mishra. I again here with my new topic for class first. Before starting my topic, till now if you have not subscribed our channel St. Xavier Sadoi, then press the bell icon for further notification. Subscribe it, like it and share among your friends. Now let us go with our new chapter, chapter number 3, comparing numbers. My shiny stars, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Fantastic. You know what we will do today? Can you guess?
No.
Okay, no problem. I will show you some signs over here. See this sign? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now you can guess what we will do today. I think in your mind something is surfing but not on your tongue. These signs you studied in your previous class. These are the sign of comparing numbers. Today we will learn about the comparing numbers. Our chapter name comparing numbers. This is the sign of equal to. This is the sign of greater than. This is the sign of smaller than. When we use equal to, when the two values are equal, then we use equal to. When one value is greater than another value, we use the greater than sign. When one value is smaller than another value, we use smaller than sign. So today we will discuss about the greater than, less than and equal to sign or comparing numbers. Okay. Let's we understand with some examples. Here I draw some dots so you can count here and see which sign will come here. Okay. You Keshav beta come and count the dots. You come. 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side how many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you tell me both sides are the same dots? Yes or no? Yes. So which sign we will put here? Equal to. Equal to sign. Okay, you come on next. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. On another side how many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which side have maximum dots? Right side or left side? This side have maximum dots. So which sign we will put here? Greater than this side and less than this side. Okay, next you count the dots. 1, use the pencil beta, use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On another side how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which sign we will put here? Smaller than. Okay. So we will learn something about the sign. Equal to, less than sign, more than sign. I draw chart over here. Some written content is here. So equal to, smaller than and greater than sign. When the two values are equal, use equal to sign. Suppose 2 plus 2 means 2 or 2. The same values, na? And when the one value is smaller than another value, we use the lesser than sign, means 3 is smaller than 5 and 5 is greater than 3. Next, when one value is bigger than another value, we use greater than sign. Suppose 8 and C. Compare the 8 and C. To who is greater? 8 is greater than 6. Okay. Now let's make you understand with some another example. Interesting example. I think in my class all are play with the balloons.
Yes.
In your birthday party there is so many different kinds of balloons are there. Yes. Here I have red balloon, yellow balloon, blue balloon and green balloon. I have different kind of balloons are here. So you help me what sign I will put here. You come and count the balloons.
1.
Use the pencil. 1, 2. On one side there is a 2 balloon. On another side how many balloons?
1,
2. Okay, 2 balloons on one side and 2 balloons on another side. So which sign we will put here? Yes. This is equal to, greater and lesser. Which sign we will put here? Equal to sign. Very good. Yes, next example is candy example. Toffees. You eat the toffees?
Yes.
Yes. You tell me one toffee name. Tell me one toffee name.
Melody.
Melody. Very good. Yes. Yes, count the candies.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, count on other side candies also.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which side have maximum candies? This side have maximum candies. Okay, which sign you will put here? This. Yes. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candies here and 1 candy is over. And next you count the balls also.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, this side how many balls?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12. So this side have maximum balls, this side have minimum balls. Which sign you will put here? Yes, very good. So, I hope you understand the comparing numbers.
Yes.
Yes, okay, thank you.